Hey little chameleons! Today we are coloring
Turtle family.
a cute turtle family. And if you want to color the same
the baby.
picture as us, the baby's cute. Just follow the link in the description, download and print, and you'll be ready to go. And what's our challenge today, Penny?
Color them all different.
Color each turtle a different color. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it. What color are you starting with?
Green.
What turtle are you starting with? I'm going to start with my little turtle.
I'm starting with the big
The big turtle. I'm doing my little turtle pink.
Here's one. Are these all dark greens?
Looks like it. And we're using crayons today, but you can use whatever you want to color.
If you want to do pencils, it's too sharp to do pencils.
Yeah, we don't use pencils too often. Maybe one day we will. All right, I'm coloring my little guy pink.
Mine is going to be green.
Green.
Green eyes.
I did one pink. I'm going to do this shiny pink for the shell.
That's kind of...
Looks a little red. That's okay.
Yeah.
That is okay. Red and pink are very similar, right?
Yeah. They're almost like the same.
Yeah, sometimes they look the same.
But today they don't.
No. And I went outside the lines a little bit.
I did not.
No, it's okay if we do. No big deal. Now I'm gonna use
Do
this
we
one.
crumble pictures?
No, I'm not gonna crumble my picture. I'm
Do
just
we
gonna keep.
give up?
No, I'm not gonna give up.
Keep good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep on coloring.
It's okay if you just stick a tongue out.
All right, I did my little turtle pink.
I'm doing big.
I'm gonna do my next turtle orange.
Orange.
Yeah,
I got orange too.
cool. What turtle are you doing orange?
Mama, is this part of this?
Yep, that's part of this turtle. I know it gets a little tricky because they're standing on top of each other. Have you ever seen 3 turtles stacked on top of each other?
It's like a turtle tower.
A turtle tower. It is a turtle tower.
Yeah. It's so funny.
That is funny. A turtle tower.
It's gonna be so beautiful when you recolor it.
I bet. Oh, do you know what I just realized?
What?
I forgot to color my pink turtle's toenails.
No.
Yeah. What was I working on? My orange turtle. I'm gonna do the inside of his spots, this light orange.
I did not her spots. I did Mama did. That's this green.
Oh, that green's looking really good.
And my mama turtle is. Oh, I forgot. I forgot a spot.
You forgot a spot.
Yeah.
And I think I used that orange already. I'm gonna use this dark orange.
Oh, that looks like a pretty orange, but I kind of do it dark so it looks so pretty.
Yeah.
You did though.
Yeah, I'm doing the outside of the spots darker and the inside of the spots lighter.
Now I'm doing this.
Okay. I need another orange for her toenails.
Now the rest, I got only this.
Oh, nice. Oh, I like how you colored the eyes too.
You're not gonna color eyes?
No, I'm gonna leave them white. All right, I did my pink turtle, my medium turtle, I did orange. Now I'm gonna do my big turtle yellow, and I'm gonna start with the dark yellow around his shell.
No. Do you know around the show right now?
Oh, cool. All right, there's his dark yellow around his shell. I'm gonna do another darker yellow for his toenails.
Green toenails.
Yellow toenails. You have a yellow painted toenail right now, don't you?
Yeah.
I think your pinky toe right now is painted yellow. Silly. I'm gonna use this yellow, this lighter yellow for inside his spots.
Look.
Oh my gosh, he looks so good. Up his head, you almost forgot.
Yeah.
Can't forget to color his head. Alright.
Don't forget his color is butt.
You mean his tail?
Yeah.
Yep, they need their tails colored.
Look.
Oh, your big turtle looks awesome, all green.
And now I want to do my orange.
Do your orange turtle. You're doing your middle turtle orange too?
Are these all the orange?
Mm-hmm, I think so.
These are all orange.
And I'm gonna use this yellow
I'm going to use this yellow.
for his body.
Look at this one again.
I love it. All right, I need.
It's so dull. It's so pretty and dark like this.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at it.
Wow, that is a good orange.
Whoa, that's so bright.
Thank you.
So
This is a pretty bright yellow. These are some happy turtles.
yeah. This turtle's getting painted.
Yeah.
Yeah. This turtle's getting beautiful with color on it.
Yeah. This bottom turtle is really happy for having a whole turtle tower on top of him. There we go. I finished my yellow turtle.
Ooh, look.
Wow, I love those bright orange spots. Now what color are you gonna use?
This.
Cool. And there's my turtle tower. That's what I'm gonna call it, a turtle tower.
I call it turtle.
I know, that was a perfect name for this picture. Awesome! One more turtle to go. What color is your little turtle? You're gonna use all those purples on the turtle?
Oops.
You can.
Okay, but look at a map going somewhere.
It looks like a map.
Yeah.
It does kind of look like a map. Looks like the road.
Yeah. I love the spots.
I do too. They look awesome. I love your turtles. Great job. Yeah, I like how you did purple and orange and green, and that our pictures don't look the same. I love that turtle too. And we want to see how our friends did their turtle, so make sure to take a picture, post it, and tag us on Instagram, and then we'll meet you right back here next time for another coloring challenge.
Bye, little chameleon.
Bye, little chameleons.
I hope I see you again.
Happy coloring.
Bye.